Cheese. Cheese, Reagan.
I like the pudding.
Cheese, Reagan. Cheese.
Where?
Do you have paint on your hand?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, Ashton, can you tell me what you're doing?
Don't tease me. I do painting.
For who?
For their birthday. Don't tease me.
Oh, don't take a picture of you?
Yeah, I do painting.
You know what? Can I tell you something? I thought Daddy would like to watch you paint for him. Do you think Mommy's gonna help Daddy watch you paint? Look at this picture.
What?
Such a pretty picture.
I see. I see.
Yeah, you wanna see? Here, look. Look how we're looking at Reagan's picture. Reagan did a pretty picture. Can you look at Reagan and say cheese? Oh, move your finger. Whoop. Hey, Reagan.
Cheese.
All right, today is October 26th.